Do you know why India is often called the land of festivals? It's a vibrant tapestry woven with a myriad of celebrations that breathe life into its diverse culture. From the start of the year, the calendar bursts with a kaleidoscope of festivals, each resonating with its unique charm and significance. In the heart of winter, Makar Sankranti, Pongal, and Lohri bring warmth, marking a shift in the solar calendar. They celebrate the winter harvest, inviting communities to come together, feast, and revel in traditional music and dance. As winter gives way to spring, Basant Panchami heralds the arrival of the season of blossoms. This festival, dedicated to Saraswati, the goddess of knowledge, illuminates the importance of learning and wisdom in Indian culture. Then, as the summer sun blazes, the festival of Baisakhi celebrates the spring harvest. It's a day of jubilation, filled with vibrant parades, folk dances, and the joyous beats of Dchal drums. The monsoon season, too, has its tribute in the form of Tej, a festival that celebrates the reunion of goddess Parvati with Lord Shiva after 100 years of separation. The rhythm of raindrops accompanies songs of love and devotion, as women adorned in vibrant attire swing under the verdant trees, praying for the well-being of their spouses. In autumn, Onam welcomes the spirit of King Mahabali with a grand feast, vibrant boat races, and intricate floral carpets. This 10-day festival showcases the rich cultural heritage of Kerala, a state in southern India. As the year winds down, the month of October brings with it a flurry of festivities. It marks the end of the monsoon season, and the entire country brims with anticipation for the upcoming celebrations. Diwali, the Festival of Lights, is the crown jewel of Indian festivals. Celebrating the homecoming of Lord Rama after a 14-year exile, this 5-day festival illuminates every corner of India. Clay lamps, or deepas, glimmer in rows outside homes, symbolizing the inner light that dispels spiritual darkness. Each day of Diwali commemorates a different legend, from Lord Krishna slaying the demon Narakasur to the birth of goddess Lakshmi. Festivals in India are not just about celebration. They are a vibrant expression of the country's glorious heritage, culture, and traditions. They provide structure to social lives, connecting individuals with their families and backgrounds. They're a confluence of joy, unity, and shared experiences, where age is just a number, and everyone from children to adults revels in the festivities. So, whether it's the seasonal shift, the harvest of crops, or the celebration of divine legends, India's festivals are the threads that weave the country's cultural fabric. They reflect the community's cultural identity, showcasing its history, traditions, and heritage, all rooted in religious or spiritual beliefs. It's no wonder then why India truly is the land of festivals.